Good day po teachers and other government employees. Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So teachers, dumami pa po ang mga lugar na pwede pong mag-avail ng GSIS Emergency Loan. So check po natin yung bago pong post ng GSIS sa kanilang Facebook page. So ito po, 29 minutes ago pa lang po, So ano-ano pa po yung mga lugar na pwede pa pong mag-avail ng GSIS Emergency Loan. So, remind nyo po dahil meron pong availment dates. Ibig sabihin po, yan po yung dates kung kailan po pwede po tayo makakuha ng emergency loan at mag-file. So, ibibigay ko po yung availment dates at ano po yung mga areas covered po nito. So, for July 29 to August 28, pwede na pong mag-avail ng GSIS Amity Loan ang mga taga-municipalities of Moncada and Paniqui, Interlac, Anda and Lingayen and Pangasinan, provinces of La Union, Laguna, and Oriental Mindoro, and the city of San Carlos, Pangasinan. For July 29 naman po to August 27, andyan po yung areas ng municipalities of Mamburao and Sablayan in Occidental Mindoro. For July 28 to October 27, we have Parañaque City. And for July 28 to August 27, City of Tanawan, Batangas. July 27 to October 26, Muntinlupa City. July 26 to October 25, Caloocan City. July 26 to October 24, Province of Rizal. July 26 to August 25 naman po ay municipalities of mga Tarem and mga Dan in Pangasinan. July 25 to October 24 naman po ay cities of Malabon, Marikina, Las Piñas, Navotas, and Valenzuela. For July 25 naman po to August 24, municipalities of Agoncillo in Batangas, Balagtas in Bulacan, Malasiki in Pangasinan, Roas in Palawan, provinces of Bataan in Pampanga, and the city of Dagupan in Pangasinan. For July 24 po to October 23, province of Cavite, the city of Manila, and Quezon City. July 24 to August 23, municipalities of Calumpit in Bulacan and Umingan in Pangasinan. And lastly, July 17 to August 15, we have province of Siquijor. So ito pong mga list na to ay ibig sabihin lang po yan na pwede na po tayo mag-avail nilang emergency loan through GSIS Touch or pwede rin po sa mga branches ng GSIS. So yun lang po muna ang latest news, teachers and other government employees. Don't forget po to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo pag meron po mga latest news. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!